Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. Today I am doing a taste test. Let me put my glasses on. This is the Mrs. Bud's fully baked white meat chicken pie. Okay, you can microwave it or put it in the oven. Chunky white breast meat with peas and carrots. So this is a nice size. I think I want to do it. I think I want to do it in the oven because I want the crust to be crispy. So let me open it and see what it's looking like. By the way, I got this from Walmart. Oh, that's a nice crust up there. Yes, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Let me see how long I gotta put it in the oven for. Okay. Preheat oven to 375. Remove pie from carton. Place pie on baking sheet. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until gravy bubbles around the edges. That sounds good. Bubbles around the edges. So that's what I'm gonna do. They tell you not to microwave if the pie is frozen. So I thawed it out. So I will be back when it's done, okay? So the Mrs. Bud's fully baked white meat chicken pie is done. Has a nice firm crust on it. It smells so good, y'all. So I'm gonna dip some out. Put it in my bowl. It smells so good. It smells so good. That's what it looks like in my bowl. And I got lemonade with it. It's good, but it's really thick. It's thick and rich. I think I like the pie a little bit thinner. It's good though. I guess because I'm not used to eating a pot pie like this. It has big chunks of chicken in it. The crust is good. To me, it tastes like someone made a homemade pot pie with biscuits. For me, the biscuits, the crust is a little too thick. It's tasty, but it's a little too thick. It's good. The carrots and the peas are good. That's my favorite part, the peas and the carrots in it. It's not real salty. That's a good thing. Sometimes I like it salty though. Yeah, the breaded part is real thick. Like, just like a biscuit. This would make a nice meal if you're running home from work and you want something quick to make for you or your family. I think I paid between $5 and $8, something around that price range. Look how thick this chicken is. That lemonade is delicious. This pie took me a little bit to get used to it because I'm used to it being salty. I'm used to the crust being thinner. I'm used to the sauce being thinner. But this is good. Now, do I like this better than the other brand? No, but this is more rich. And it feels more like you're eating a meal instead of just a quick little snack or something. Let me get a little bit more. I wonder what other products Mrs. Buds make. Wonder where she's from. They have a picture of her smiling up here. Is that really her? I want to learn how to make pot pies. Homemade. Okay, I'm going to give my score of Mrs. Buds Philly Baked White Meat Chicken Pie. I'm I'm going to give this an 8. Okay. It's good. I like the extra salt in the regular pot pies, even though I shouldn't have it. But this still is a healthy amount of salt. The filling is a little thick for me. Like I said, it tastes like a biscuit on top of a pie. That's a little bit thick, but it's still good. I love the vegetables in it. They didn't have, like some pies have that little potato in it. The vegetables were perfect. The peas and the carrots. I think the pies that I buy, pot pies, are tastier. Will I buy this again? Yes, I would, because you're getting a nice amount in there. I'll say you could feed maybe 3 kids with it if they don't want real big portions. Maybe 2 adults if they want big portions. You just have to warm it up. I warmed it up in my stove, in my oven, but I could have used the microwave. It's just a good product here. I'm gonna buy some again and see, do I like it more and more the more I eat it. I like how crispy on top it is, but it's a little too much breading. So thanks for watching my review. There will be more videos coming. If you like these food reviews or taste tests, please let me know in the comments section, okay? I think I will be trying some recipes from different people on YouTube and then do a taste test on that. I may do that if I have the time to do it. Okay. All right, so thanks for watching. Please share, comment, subscribe. Have a wonderful day.